Hello everyone, this is Dharmendra Reddy M S from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering of Department of CSCAI. Statement of pumping lemma. Conditions for languages. The statement outlines the conditions under which any regular language can be split into segments in a repetitive, pumbular manner. Formal definition. It formally defines the constraints on the length and structure of strings within a regular language. Key implications: the lemma convey important insights into the recursive structure and patterns within regular language. Proof of pumping lemma. Construction of segments. The step-by-step process of identifying and constructing pumpable segments is outlined. Derivation of patterns. It demonstrates how the lemma elucidates the underlying repetitive patterns in regular languages. Evidence of language regularity. The proof showcases how the lemma confirms the regular nature. Applications of pumping lemma in formal languages theory. Language analysis. Used to analyze and understand the structure and properties of different types of formal languages. Error detection. Applied in error detection mechanisms within communication protocols and regular expressions. Automata theory. Used to establish the limitations and capabilities of finite state machines and push-down automata. Using pumping lemma to prove a language is not regular. Language examination. Prioritize the synthetic approach to analyzing and identifying irregularities in specific languages. Segment repetition. Illustrate how the lemma exposes to inability of certain languages to be split into pumpable segments. Negating regularity. Explains the process of using the lemma to present definitive evidence of language irregularity. Using pumping lemma to prove a language is not context-free. Let's see our first option, grammatical analysis. Highlights the importance of basing and examining the grammatical rules governing the language in question. And second option is structural incompatibility. Discuss how the lemma identifies structural inconsistencies that negotiate context-free status. Using pumping lemma to prove a language is not context-sensitive. Recognition process explores how the lemma aids in understanding the recognition process of lexical and formal languages. Rule adaptation describes the process of finding and illustrating the descriptiveness in rule adaptability. Structural consistency outlines the investigation of structural limitations and render the language context sensitive. Limitations of pumping lemma. Finite language analysis address limitation in dealing with finite languages and the inability to always identify non-regular languages. Complexity of proofs examines the inherent difficulty associated with using the lemma to prove non-regularity, especially for complex languages. Scope of application discuss the specific situations and instances where the lemma may not be effectively applicable. Criticisms and alternative approaches to pumping lemma. Lack of institution. Some criticisms revolve around the conceptual lack of direct institution provided by the lemma. Complexity improve. Alternative approaches attempt to simplify and streamline the process of proving non-regularity. Resource requirements. Discuss criticisms regarding the resources and expertise needed to effectively utilize the lemma. Conclusion and summary. Practical relevance. Summarize the practical implications of pumping lemma in analyzing formal languages and their properties. Continued research. Highlights the need for ongoing research in exploring and refining the applications and the limitations of the lemma. Thank you.